Alright, you guys, Matt back here. We're going to go to TJ's today and do a few things. He's going to spray paint his wheels, I believe put his wing on the GTI, and one more thing, I think. But I'm not sure. So, stay tuned. We're going to be over to his house soon, and we're going to see what's up with him. But I hope you guys enjoyed that last video with the two-step, even though it wasn't like multiple clips of it. But you know, obviously it's not great to just keep two-step in your car all the time, unless you're just having a backup motor really and you just don't care about spending money. But yeah, guys, we'll see you over at TJ's. I'm gonna try to get to some more car meets soon, because that's what that's like the time of the year, you know, it's for car meets. So
Put the wing on.
hold up, run it back. What are you saying?
What's up, man? Matt already showed you all the goodies we doing, man. But about to put on the license plate cover, about to put on the wing. Got to spray paint the wing black. Then we're gonna paint the wheels because
Black.
these joints ugly as a motherfucker, man. We ain't rocking no green machine. Lord, come on, man. We ain't no green machine. You know what I'm saying? But nah,
Gotta be stealthy
I'm
with
gonna show
it.
y'all something real quick.
Yeah.
Man.
So
So we got the new can and air filter, man. As y'all see, man, this joint brand new, man. But you're gonna see the old one. You're gonna see how crusty that shit is, yo. And we're gonna see if it makes a difference, because lately when I've been doing the tune, like flame map and pops, sometimes when I give it a gas, it be not sputtering, but like breaking up, and I think it's something's wrong with. I know the air filter's clogging. You know what I'm saying? I know. If I know, I know. Who fixed it?
you know what I'm saying?
Who fixed it?
TJ.
TJ fixed it, bro.
Man.
I asked for help, but guess what? Nobody wants to help TJ, man. It's
You know what I'm
cool,
saying?
man. I figured
Y'all
out myself, man. Yo, you know what's crazy, man? Y'all be thinking like, oh man, come help me with this, come give me a ride, man. Yo, niggas don't even be giving me favors, bro. I be giving y'all favors.
Tell him what you do. You do it
I do
yourself.
it myself, nigga. You know what I'm saying? This is some bullshit,
I'm
man.
saying?
You see that, John? I'm unboxing that shit, nigga. It's whatever, man. We gotta show you guys, man. Stay tuned once. Yo, guys, this is what happens when your fucking shit parents don't want to move their fucking the city suburban.
Oil leak.
Oil leak. Look at all the oil leaks, guys. Look at fucking shit. Fucking oil leak. Shitty fucking shit button.
Guys, look at the difference. Look at this air filter we just pulled out. All this mud in here, rust. Terrible.
Always keep maintenance, man. This wasn't me. Obviously, you know I would not do that shit. That thing hasn't probably been changed in like 5 fucking years, dude. It's so bad. It's like water. But as you guys can tell, like what I was saying, if you show them right here, like you see how it's all fucked up and shit, and like that, like dude, that can cause a. You know what I'm saying? When you smoking, you don't got your shit clogged, right? It's not like.
It maybe can cause the car to have like a heart attack, right?
You know what I'm saying? Like a car attack arrest. You know?
Yeah, cause like it's clogging the arteries. Yeah, clogging that intake artery.
Yes,
But we getting back. We putting a new intake in, air filter. I don't know why I keep saying intake, but air filter. It should run a lot better.
Oh yeah, I got the piece right here. Got the special sauce right here. It doesn't fit. Fuck, nigga. Guys, so basically, we thought it couldn't fit because of this shitty like, dude, this thing is bad, bro. Like, yo, this shit's crazy. You got my vape?
It's over there.
Alright, work. But basically, this had like a piece in here that I thought was just for this piece, but I guess you can use it. So what we did was we stuck it in here, right here, this outer layer, which doesn't seem like it's gonna come out or nothing, but we're gonna put it on there and strap it in and hope for the best.
Yeah, it's like a little attachment.
A little attachment piece, yeah. It's like a little rubber attachment piece.
Because it was too big.
Yeah, but we're gonna see right now. We're gonna tighten and shit.
But it went on there when you put it on it, but we just gotta... We're test fitting.
Yeah, we're test fitting right now.
Alright guys, so he drained the oil and now he's taking off the oil filter. What do you see though?
Wire. Yeah. I don't know what to. What is that to, Matt?
I can't see where you're at.
Oh, it's just to the evap shit. Never mind, don't use it.
Alright. Yeah, he's just draining the oil right now. We're gonna get this oil change underway and then we got some stuff like the wheels coming and the wing and the license plates. We gotta put her down on the ground now because he's gotta get these lugs.
Stupid shit.
He's like,
I'm not strong enough.
he gotta.
Suburban stowaway.
We gotta get these lugs off. So, wheel change is complete, and I think we're just gonna do 2 rims at a time, paint them black, a couple coats on there. Should be looking good. And he did say he's eventually gonna get this roof wrapped black as well to match this little spoiler we're putting on, which is gonna also be black.
Hey, yo, Levi, man. I'm sorry, man. I broke the MK4 ratchet, bro. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, guys. That was my favorite ratchet, man.
Broke it. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get the lug nuts off.
Lug nuts off. We shouldn't be getting lug nuts off of the fucking thing, though.
You didn't pay.
Yo, we're being lazy and we're just fucking putting shirts in the rims and just spray painting them, bro, because I don't give a fuck. I'm tired of these Mexi green fucking rims, bro.
Yeah. So let's see what you're doing over here. Show. So we got the shirt on the rotor.
On the rotor and caliber, that way we're not, you know what I'm saying, smelling it up. Nah, we got
one, y'all, and we already looking way better. Way better. You know, we were gonna take these off, but now we're just spraying them on the car. We already told you guys, but this is how we do it, man. Yeah, what you doing, man? It's that tint, right? That's that tint cover.
Putting that tint cover on, man. You see we did the black rims and shit. Did the black rims, did the oil change, guys, did the filter, the intake filter, the license plate cover. Yeah, it got a little bit done today, man.
Yep, and then next we're gonna do the wing under the deck because it's about to start raining. Shake it up.
You recording?
Yep.
Yo, we out here, man. So let's give them look at the MK4. Look at the MK4.
Here's a view from down here.
As you see it looks
Kind of stealthy.
stealth mode. Yo, but we doing the wing right now. R32 from the basically, if you don't know, there's two. I think there's 2 versions of this, yeah, or there might be 3, but the third one is like the 4-door and it's like the V6, but it's not the R32. But the other one is all-wheel drive and it's a GTI, and it's called the R32 one. And this is the wing that goes to that. But we're gonna put it on the GTI because, like, fuck it, man, that shit stealth mode, Nick. It's not working, dude.
Yo, what are we doing, man? We're about to put this wing on.
R32 wing on.
So he's taking off the 3M tape right now.
See that fucking shit at, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking shitty ass 3M tape, bro. What the fuck? Who does this shit? Dude. No. You guys. You can't get it. You can't get it. You can't get it. I can't fucking get it, man. Yes, sir.
Little style action.
We got a little. You got this shitty grass on my rim. What the fuck? Yeah. Sorry, man. So
Thank you for watching another episode on Drifttweakers.
So
Saying
today was got the license plate cover.
oil change.
Oil change, filter. Got the wing on, brother. Wheels. They Friante, they black with rocking on no color. Rocking on no color. That's about it today, but guess what, guys? Stay tuned. We're gonna do way more, man. We just got way more footage coming.